on.
Okay, shut up. I'm uploading this to YouTube.
Yo, what up, world?
That one kind of looked like weird.
Are you filming, Spencer?
Because I'm gonna upload this to YouTube and call it World's Most Depressing Fireworks.
Guess what? I found Hero Grind in Minecraft.
You did? Whoa. See, we'll call this a gaming commentary channel. This is the game right here.
Travis.
Game.
Travis.
My name's Travis.
Travis.
Why is this still going on? How long has this been going on for?
Yo, Travis. How many subs you got?
I got many subs. I have daily Minecraft tutorials.
How?
Kachina.
I think that one was a fail.
Testing out all the
Minecraft fireworks, guys.
It's just like they're, what is that? It's like they're just testing out all the types of fireworks in Minecraft.
Yo, Travis. You're right, it does.
Right, this.
What world is Derek here? Oh, what is that?
Oh my god.
It's your boy Clyde.
Oh, that's pretty amazing. Oh, these ones will be, wow. Now that's a firework. What? I think Andrew's having a seizure.
Oh, man.
I think it's coming to a close, guys. No, it's too dark, so we can't see you having a seizure. If you want to stand in front of the fireworks like this one guy, you just won't get out of the way. Is this gonna end? Very confused. That was actually decent. I have to give him credit for that. But the space in between this is a little bit absurd. Wow. This has been three. It's been 3 minutes. 3 actual minutes. We're nearing 4. What is this?
Pacham.
It's Ligny McQuain, Kirchu. Here they come. Boom. That one looked like a mushroom.
Headshot.
Now that looked like 2 circles, I guess. Now that's just like a firework. It's pretty cool. It's like a volcano thing, but now it has
Guys,
green.
what's cracking?
Yeah, it's just a little bit. Oh, that's a nice little tint of green. That just looks like ugly orange, kind of. It's not horrible. I mean, it's just like when you unlock all the Minecraft fireworks and you just want to try them all out. And this is what we're experiencing here,
World's
guys.
Most Depressing Fireworks.
Well, that's gonna be the title. We have to roll credits. So don't say that.
Am I gonna be top link in the description?
You can just comment, check out my channel. It's got good content.
Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Chromosome 12.
Well, it's pretty
I upload
fantastic.
the Black Ops 3 content.
Well, you gotta make some commentary. Like, did you
Subscribe
hear about
to
this
my
one
YouTube
guy on the
channel
internet?
named me.
They sure are stupid. Am I right, guys? Wow. I forgot we were at fireworks. Personally.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Me.
So subscribe for more Call of Duty tips. We'll give you some more advice on how to play Call of Duty. But for right now, we're just gonna see some fireworks.
Link to purchase these fireworks will be in the description.
I'll only walk right in front of the way.
There will be a link to purchase these fireworks.
Well, okay then.
Got a pretty big erection.
This is a family-friendly YouTube video. This is only kid-friendly content. I have to say that.
You're gonna get flagged.
No. Hopefully,
I got bamboozled.
I'll censor it. I'll come out with it. I'll make 2 of them for more money. I'll make one censored and one uncensored.
Scotland forever,
Like
bag,
Smosh did how
pipes,
to hide
bag, pipes, bag, pipes, bag.
Oh, this is 6 minutes now. 6 minutes. And
Ooh, final show.
is it, hopefully this is it.
No, it's not.
Hello. What?
What? Okay. Just get to upload this.
Damn, those are I can see the rare pepping in it.
I guess so. I don't. What is this? Okay, this is decent. I have to give them that.
These are very sad.
But for like most fireworks, this is what it's like the whole time.
Exactly.
I mean, this is the moon. This is a more entertaining firework than that.
Better. You'd have more fun watching paint dry.
Exactly. Please get on with the finale. We just got to 7 minutes.
If you like this video, subscribe.
Nearing 7 minutes.
Finale. Wait for the clapping.
Is that over? Okay, yay!
No, it's not over.
It's probably not. Just.
See?
Yeah. Oh, are you serious?
You got
Okay, of course.
bamboozled.
Oh my god.
Oh, they're in a war zone.
Not even. This is depressing. This person's just still saying that. Wait, this is decent.
Dude, could this trigger someone's epilepsy?
What? Maybe.
Yeah. Like that
It's just
Pokemon forge that
Right, yeah. This is bright though.
this video is being banned for causing epilepsy.
I think now. Yay!
Yay.
Yay! Okay, that was. Yeah, 9 minutes.
Yeah, 9 minutes long.
Oh man.
Alright, all done.
Okay, well that was a great video. Kid-friendly content. Which way are we
Kid-friendly
going?
content.
Okay, we're going back this way.
Looks like it hits some
Subscribe for more videos. Like the YouTube channel. Comment down below what do you think of this, and we'll see you some more kid-friendly
G-Night.
content.